Hello everyone, Amy Wilbanks here with Textile Fabric Consultants. We are excited to introduce a new option for teaching interior textiles. The Interior Design Comprehensive Fabric Guide is an expanded version of our Interior Design Swatch Kit. We know many courses do not allow time for an in-depth study of textiles during class, so we have developed a new product to help with these time constraints. The key difference and main focus are that no assembly is required. The new fabric guide arrives ready to use. The swatches have been pre-mounted and all of the important details about each fabric have been filled in for you. This allows students to begin learning as soon as they receive their personal copy. We have also included a reference manual containing study questions, terms and definitions, and easy-to-perform lab tests, so there is no need for an additional textbook. The included manual covers textile concepts from fiber to finish and provides an invaluable resource that students can refer to throughout their time in school and beyond into their interior design careers. We would love for you to stop by our booth at this year's IDEC conference to share more information about this product and future products with you. We are excited to see you there.